Hey guys, finally the DJI OSMO Pocket 3 is back with lot of improvement, and the Pocket 3 release date and the first look also revealed. Here's what you can expect from the DJI OSMO Pocket 3 according to the leak report. New 1-inch CMOS sensor. Yes, Pocket 3 come with new 1-inch CMOS sensor. So now you can record 4K 120fps slow-mo video. The addition of a 2-inch rotatable can open up new possibility for creators. It's enable shooting from horizontal and vertical both position. DJI expert in gimbal technology ensure your footage stay and smooth. The 3-axis gimbal mechanical stabilization system give you excellent result even in a changing shooting conditions. New in-hand tracking capability with ActiveTrack 6.0 make capturing moving subject a breeze. Full pixel and fast focusing. Using this function to moving object to take a perfect picture and videos. For those who demand more control over their footage in post-production, the DJI OSMO Pocket 3 offering D-LogM 10-bit support, allowing for greater color grading flexibility. Impressive audio is the critical component of the video quality. This device includes a studio speaker recording, ensuring that your sound matches the visual excellent. The DJI OSMO Pocket 3 is going to be a game changer for content creators, and most probably the device launched 25 October 2024. So that is all about DJI OSMO Pocket 3. So if you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.